Hey everyone, Andy here from Drone Age. Today I want to talk to you about this guy. Well, it's the DJI Avata 2, but I'm not actually going to talk to you about the drone, but more about what you're using to carry the drone in. So I am currently using the DJI carry case that you get with the Fly More combo, and I'm sure most people are, and it is fantastic. You know, I can't fault it. It does carry everything, and it's handy. You just flick it on your shoulder and away you go. It's perfect. It's got a little compartment to carry like ND filters, props, cables, the lot. It's brilliant. But I do worry when I'm traveling around that, you know, I might have to put it in a hold set like area and it could get knocked about just through transportation and something could get broken. So I have been looking around and I've been speaking with a company called Skyre. I use their ND filters and they are fantastic. I made a little video about them a while back, so you know, just take a look at that video and have a look, because you really should get yourself a pair of ND filters. If you haven't got any, use Skyre. They're fantastic and affordable. So yeah, I've been speaking with Skyre and they have sent me their new hard case. So what I want to do is get this unboxed with you and we can take a look together and find out, you know, how it all goes together, how well the parts fit in, you know, and how sturdy the case actually is. So without further ado, let's get it. Hey guys, so got my trusted Swiss Army knife. Get the knife. Oh, good old double locking. So, this is what we have. That's pretty cool. It's got the old Skyreat branding. That's really nice. I like that. Let's see. I'll open them up. Okay. So it's got two. So it's completely locked tight. You see, it's not going to open up at all. But if you press these two guys down and then pop up, that opens up the case. So I think, oh yeah, and then you pull them back because they're clamped, which is really good. Okay, and open up, and here we have it. That's really smart. You guys can see. You see on the top as well, it's got like a sort of textured, bumpy foam topping to protect everything that's going in. So let's see. Oh, here we have the Avata 2. See how we're going to pop this guy in. Okay, this bit's nice. No wiggle room. It's got the lens protector on as well. Let's get the carry case. So, motion controller 3. Let's see if it, I don't actually really know what way it's meant to go, but let's just make sure it's all nice and tidy. That's nice. Like that. Let's go for the goggles. And these are pretty damn cool goggles. Even though they do make you look like a bug, they're great. Really enjoy using these. Okay, yeah, so they fit nicely. No issues there. Okay. Batteries. One. Two. Oops. Ruining it already. Oh, would you look at that? There's space for another. And I should probably have another one for the drone itself. And of course, the king. Okay. Cool. So it does carry absolutely everything. I'm guessing, I'm not sure what I'd put in this, cables or something. Maybe more cables would go in here. But that is a really nice fit. I like that. And it looks smart as anything. I think this is, let's see if it closes over nicely. Oh, that's really good. I like that. Feels quite sturdy as well. Am I ready to just sort of jump on it? What's this called? Not sure. But lock that back up. Yeah, guys. I mean, I don't even know how you complain with this. This is fantastic. And if you guys are looking for a hard case to carry your drone around and want to be certain that it's not going to get knocked about, as you can see, there's no wiggle room in here. Like, everything is pretty firm and tight there. So guys, yeah, head over to Skyreat. In fact, head over to Skyreat, take a look at some of the items that they do have for sale. But if you want one of these, go onto Amazon and purchase it. You won't be disappointed. Well, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.